Good morning, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm working on week 16 of Margarete Miller's collage assignments. I need something that makes me happy and a sticker. My bonus is the sticker, and that is this fox sticker. I'm using the bonus instead of something outdated because I don't have anything outdated that I know of. This is my geometric design. I believe that's a geometric design anyway. A text in a foreign language is this. I believe this is Japanese because it came from something that my daughter, who lives in Japan, brought me. And that's it. So I'm going to just put down a simple piece of coffee dyed paper as my background, and then we'll take it from there. Hopefully I'm not gluing all my pages together. And I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. I have been watching the mini-series about Natalia Grace. What a poor life that poor girl has had. I hope that she has finally found some peace and some love in real life, boy. Alright, so there's my background. I thought I would put my geometric shape something like this. I think it does need glue, though. I need a piece of paper to glue on. And I will take one of the pages that I took out of my glue book and use it for gluing stuff on, putting glue on other stuff. Okay. And so let's get back to that page. I'm going to kind of just put this like this. And I thought I would kind of put this like this. And I may or may not use this. I don't think I'm going to, actually. Then I'm going to put the fox on there, and then I have a couple of other little geometric shapes I think I'm going to add to that. So let's put this on next. And if you don't know about that, Natalia Grace, she has dwarfism. She was born in the Ukraine, and she was adopted by a family who then claimed she was dangerous and that she wasn't really 7, and they somehow managed to get her birth certificate changed to 22 and abandoned her. And I thought, you know, even if she was older, they abandoned a disabled person in a building where she could not take care of herself because she was so tiny. She couldn't reach the stove. She had a hard time doing, you know, just normal tasks, climbing up her stairs to get to her house. I think we'll put him here. I don't want to cover that up. I like that. It looks like a house. And I also have these little ones that I thought I might put in corner if it fits. I might trim it a little. Like we could put one here and one here. Maybe we'll do that, but I think I'm going to trim off the black outlines and make them just a teensy bit smaller. Yeah, that's, she's had a sad, hard life, unfortunately. I hope she's doing okay now. We're going to put this one here. And we're going to do the same with the other side. Cut it down. And put one here. There we go. I think those are good geometric shapes. How would it look if I put one on the bottom? Let's see. or put 2 on the bottom. Actually, I wonder if I could lift him up. Well, first of all, let's do this. And if I can lift up this one tiny bit to put under him, I'm worried. Oh, it's working. Okay, let's put some glue on it. Yesterday I was filming, but I wasn't filming. I thought I was filming. Oh, it just went back down. And I missed a whole bunch of stuff in the video I was making. So that's going to go like that, and then we'll put the other one on the other side. And those are all my geometric shapes. And the fox sticker is what made me happy. I love woodland animal creature stuff. Okay, I have all kinds of woodland animal creature stuff. We're going to put this one over here. And that is it. I think it came out cute. I think it's actually one of my favorite collages that I've made so far in here. So the something that makes me happy is the sticker. Ooh, a form. I didn't see that. A form. Ooh. Could this be a form? We're going to call this a form. Text in a foreign language, the geometric designs, and the sticker. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. And we will see you again next time. Check out my channel for other videos. I do lots of stuff. I make junk journals, collages, glue booking. I started coloring. I might do some coloring videos coming up. And yeah, so stick around, subscribe if you want to, and give me a like if you want to. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.